Welcome to Aspirants, our YouTube channel for competitive exams. In the series of videos on manufacturing industries, in part 4, we will cover sugar industry. Historical background, slide 1 of 2. India has a long tradition of manufacturing sugar. References of sugar making by the Indians are found even in the Atharvaveda. India is rightly called the homeland of sugar, but in ancient times, gur and khandsari were made, as you can see the picture here. Also, cane was cut in pieces, crushed under heavy weight, and juice thus obtained was boiled and stirred till it solidified. Historical background, slide 2 of 2. Modern word sugar is derived from the word sharkara. Thus, India has been the original home for sugarcane as well as sugar manufacture. Modern sugar industry came on the Indian scene only in the middle of the 19th century when it was introduced by the Dutch in North Bihar in about 1840. Legislations, slide 1 of 2. Sugar Industry Protection Act was passed by the Indian legislature in 1932. Under this act, protection was granted to the indigenous sugar industry. With enforcement of Sugar Protection Act, within a period of 4 years, our country became self-sufficient in sugar by 1935. Legislations, slide 2 of 2. Geographical distribution of sugar industry in India. Uttar Pradesh. It is the leading producer of sugar in India and one of the largest sugar industries in the Indian economy. Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Karnataka also produce sugar. Tamil Nadu. This state is responsible for 10% of the total sugar production in India. Andhra Pradesh. Along with sugar production, it is regarded as a granary of the south and once it was called as rice bowl of India. North India versus South India sugar industry, slide 1 of 2. A brief description of differences between the sugar industry of the northern and peninsular India are. Peninsular India has tropical climate, which gives higher yield per unit area as compared to North India. The sucrose content is also higher in tropical variety of sugarcane in the south. The crushing season is also much longer in the south than in the north. For example, crushing season is of nearly 4 months only in the north from November to February, whereas it is of nearly 7 to 8 months in the south, where it starts in October and continues till May and June. The cooperative sugar mills are better managed in south than in the north, and most of the mills in south are new, which are equipped with Problems of sugar industry, slide 1 of 3. Low yield of sugarcane. Although India has the largest area under sugarcane cultivation, the yield per hectare is extremely low as compared to some of the major sugarcane producing countries of the world. For example, India's yield is only 64.5 tons per hectare as compared to 90 tons per hectare in Java Island of Indonesia and 121 tons per hectare in Hawaii Island of the United States of America. This leads to low overall production compared to capacity or potential. Short crushing season. Manufacturing of sugar is a seasonal phenomena with a short crushing season varying normally from 4 to 7 months in a year. The mills and its workers remain idle during the remaining period of the year, thus creating financial problems for the industry. Problems of sugar industry, slide 2 of 3. Fluctuating production trends. Sugarcane has to compete with several other food and cash crops like cotton, oilseeds, rice, etc. Consequently, the land available to sugarcane cultivation is not the same and the total production of sugarcane fluctuates. This affects the supply of sugarcane to the mills and the production of sugar also varies from year to year. Low rate of recovery. The average rate of recovery in India is less than 10%, which is quite low as compared to other major sugar producing countries. For example, recovery rate is as high as 14 to 16% in Java, Hawaii, and Australia. Problems of sugar industry, slide 3 of 3. Small and uneconomic size of mills. Most of the sugar mills in India are of small size with a capacity of 1000 to 1500 tons per day. This makes large scale production uneconomic. Most of the mills are economically not viable. Old and obsolete machinery. Most of the machinery used in Indian sugar mills, particularly those of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, is old and obsolete, being 50 to 60 years old and needs rehabilitation. But low margin of profit prevents several mill owners from replacing the old machinery with new ones. This brings us to the end of the video on manufacturing industries part 4. Keep revising. The next video on manufacturing industries shall be uploaded soon. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. All the best for your upcoming examinations.